Hello friends, welcome to new session. Now in this session we'll see one more problem of square prism. Okay, we have started section of solids. A square prism of side of base 30 mm and height 50 mm has its sides of base and equally inclined with VP. A section plane perpendicular to the VP and inclined to the HP at 45 degree cuts the prism such that it passes through the point on the axis at a distance of 12 mm below the top base. Okay, so from a square to VP, it is for the position of prism. From this a section plane to top base, it is for the position of section plane. Assuming the major part to be retained, draw the projection of prism showing the front view, sectional top view and row shape of section. Add development of lateral surface of the retained prism. So we will not cover this part, development part, because it is not in our syllabus. Now you can download this PDF from the below section. Go to description, and from description you can download the PDF. Okay, now we write down the given data. Data is sides of prism is 30 mm, side is equal to 30 mm, axis 50 mm. Okay, then section plane inclined to HP at 45 degree, passes through 12 mm below top base. Okay, so this much data is given. So we'll start. We'll draw first the XY line. XY line draw करते हैं. XY. Now in this case the prism, the sides of base are equally inclined to VP. Okay, so this one is where VP, XY line. For top view this XY is VP, for front view this XY is HP. Okay. Now there are two cases in case of section of solid. The first one is the two sides of base parallel to VP or two sides of base perpendicular to VP. So in both the cases we'll get a diagram like this. Okay, so these two, they are parallel to VP, and these two, they are perpendicular to VP. Now in this case we'll get this type of view, because this and these sides are equally inclined to VP. Equally inclined means what? It will be 45 degree. Now take one point. Okay, from this point, after taking this point, mark 2 points at 45 degree. Now I don't have the protractor here. You have to use protractor to get correct reading. So 45 and 45. Okay, so you will get 2 point. From this 2 point draw 2 line. Okay, mark on this line 30 mm. Okay, similarly on this line 30 mm. From this 2 point again draw the parallel line. You can see here this line should be of 30 mm. Again this should be 30 mm. Okay, we'll name this point 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now take the projection of these all point in the front view. Make sure that the projection of 2 and 4 passes through a single line. Now what is the axis height? Axis height is 50 mm. So on this line mark 50 mm, and from that point draw the top base. Now the first sentence, or we can say the position of prism is over. I will give the dimension here. Mm, and in this side this one is the axis height. While drawing this arrowhead, make sure that this should be field arrowhead. Now the position of section plane is given, it is 12 mm below the top base. So from top base, you have this one is the top base. I will give the naming 1 dash, 2 dash, 4 dash, 3 dash. Similarly 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, comma 4 dash. So this one is the top base. So from top base, mark a point at 12 mm. From that point, draw one horizontal line. Okay. So from this point, draw the axis line, draw the section plane. What is the angle? Theta. It is 45 degree. So it is 45 degree, this point. Now how to draw section plane? Section plane is a center line which is thick at both the ends. Okay. So this one is the direction of observation. This angle is 45 and this distance is 12 mm. Over. Now we will give the naming. This section plane is cutting to this one side, so this point will be P1 dash. Similarly, this section plane is cutting to this 2 dash, 4 dash, 2 dash, 4 dash. So for 2 dash, 2 dash, point is P2 dash and this point is P4 dash. Now here it is cutting to the base, top base. Now when any section plane cut the base, will give the label as A, B. So here there are two sides, side of base 2, 3, side of base 3, 4. So there should be 2 points. Let's say A dash comma B dash. A dash for 2 dash 3 dash and B dash for 3 dash 4 dash. Now take the projection of all the point in the top view. P1 dash. So here it is P1, P2 here, P2, P4 here, P4. Okay. What about A and B? So we have to take the projection of A and B. So this point it will be A and this point it will be B. Okay. This part is remote part and this part is retained part. So we have to draw the view for retained part. Now first we'll dark the retained part. This is one is the retained part. This one is the retained part and this one is now in this case this center line, middle line, it is a vertical edge 2, 2 and 4, 4. That's why this line should be dark one. So this one is your front view. Similarly for top view, you can see here the complete from P1, P2, A and 3. This will be visible. So make sure that all the 4 lines are thick. Okay. Now we'll draw the section part. Section part start from P1, P1 to P2, P1 to P2, P2 to A, P2 to A to B. So A to B. Okay. B to P4, B to P4. इसको यहाँ पे rename कर दो P4 and P4 to P1. So this part, this one, it is सेक्शन पार्ट कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं? वेयर दिस सेक्शन प्लेन टचेस द और इट कॉन्टैक्ट द surface, that part should be a section part. So draw the section line. That's my top view, sectional top view. Now we'll draw the true shape of section. For true shape of section, first draw the section plane on right side or left side of front view. The end part should be thick. This side is, or we can say that the arrowhead is for the direction of observation. First mark any one point, let's say this point, it is my P1 dash. Now take your compass. In your compass, measure the distance from P1 to P2, P1 to P2, from P1 to P2, P4, and mark here. Okay, similarly from P1 to A and B, P1 to A and B, right? So here this point is P1, P4 dash, this point is A dash, B dash. Take the projection of all these 3 points in the top view or below the XY line. Okay, similarly take the projection from the top view of all the 5 points. We start from the P1, P2, A, B and P4. Okay, got it? Now mark the intersection point P1 dash and P1. So this point, it is P1, P2 dash, this point is P2, A dash, this point is A, B dash, this point is B, P4 dash, so this point is P4. Join all these points with a continuous thick line, means dark line. Now you can see here, जो डायग्राम आपको टॉप व्यू में दिखेगा P1 P2 AB, सेम डायग्राम आपको ट्रू शेप में दिखेगा, बट इन ट्रू शेप द length will be more, because here we take the true length of section plane, and here we get the apparent length. That's why the true shape, or we can say the length of section view in the top view is less, and in true shape it is more. Now draw the section line. How to draw section line? It should be inclined at 45 degree approximately, and the spacing between two lines should be 1 to 2 mm approximately. So I will name it true shape of section. This view is section top view, and this one is front view. That's it. Now practice more problem of square prism at your home. In next session we'll see 2 problem of hexagonal prism. Okay, take care guys, bye.